Woma, big fella. Hey guys, it's Nate from Wars and Milestones, and this is Flint. Flint is a Woma python, Aspidites ramses. I believe I said that right. He's a part of a group of pythons, and they have no heat pits whatsoever. I'll see if I can get him a little closer. He's still a little bit jumpy. We're still working with him a little bit, but he is an amazing, fantastic python. He's letting me know he didn't like the way I picked him up by puffing a little bit, but he is a beautiful guy. Once again, this is Flint. This is what a male adult Woma python looks like when you're handling them, and they're absolutely gorgeous guys. So if you love seeing new animals, exciting animals, animals you don't see other places, follow Morse and Milestones, whatever you're on. If it's TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, our website, we're all over the place, guys. And you get to see guys like Flint and all our other characters, which make our lives so colorful, amazing, and beautiful. Until next time, guys, keep life emotional and exciting. Thank you for your support. We love you. Flint loves you too.